How to fix Calibrate touchscreen missing in Windows 11 10s. 1. Run hardware and devices troubleshooter. Command, msdt.exe id device diagnostic. 2. Calibrate your touchscreen via the control panel. To do so, ensure the tablet PC settings option is available. 3. Disable and re-enable. The HID-compliant touchscreen driver in Device Manager. 4. Uninstall and reinstall the HID-compliant touchscreen driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 5. Check the status of the touch keyboard and handwriting panel service. Note, ensure it's running. 6. Boot to BIOS UEFI and test your touchscreen. 7. Perform a system restore.